morning. Another adventure. Now, we flew in last night, 3 a.m. here in Seoul, South Korea. Had a little layover on my way to Singapore. Gave me some time to check out the city. So we're gonna go around, maybe eat a couple things, check out Myeongdong. That's the area I'm staying in. I just got a quick little Airbnb so I could shower after I got off my long flight. I was in America for a second, but came back over to Asia. So see what we can find out, see what the city has, at least a little bit of it, since we're not here for long. We had to catch a flight at 3. So only a few hours, but we'll check it out and see what we think. Let's try the very popular banana milk. The Korean banana milk. Heard a lot of things about this online. Let's see how it tastes. Oh wow. That's actually really good. Kind of has like a fakey banana taste, but it's really refreshing actually. That's fire. It's really good actually. Nice. Bring that to Thailand. That was good. Alright, time to eat in the park. What a beautiful day it is here. Gimbap. First time having gimbap. Let's check it out. It's like Alright. Gimbap for the first time. Look at that. Tuna gimbap. Let's see what it tastes like. That's fire. You got your tuna, you got your egg, little piece of ham, some carrot in there. Maybe some mushroom, I don't know what that is, but it's really good. It's like just like sushi. pretty awesome too. It was 5,500. Pretty good deal. I would eat this actually every day. This is really good. Really good. Very light. Nothing too crazy. Rice is always good to have in the morning. That stuff was an ace. And I just stopped by again for another banana milk. This is actually lit. My new favorite drink? Korean banana milk. Let's go. usually drink coffee, but after my flight, I'm dying to survive. Pretty bomb. Classic hot dog. First time having a hot dog at McDonald's. This should be interesting. Mango peach tea. Ooh, that's good. Alright. Back into the hot dog. Look at that. Grilled onions, ketchup, mustard, pickle. I guess that's what relish is, right? It's like the bottom of the bun is too hard. Interesting. That's a hard fail. I was expecting more from a hot dog, McDonald's hot dog. fast little trip to Seoul. Now on our way to Singapore at the airport. Time to get out of here. Hope you guys enjoy my quick video here in Seoul. Definitely be back for a longer video one of these days. Gotta do a food vlog for sure. Food was pretty good, only a little bit I had.